Good morning, good afternoon or good evening. And a big hello to anyone who hasn't joined Napoleon and I yet. Sit up, Nip, and say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, he loves the leaves. Sit down. Nip, you're going to say hello to everyone? Oh, he's looking a bit shy today. Say hello. Right. I'd like to say an happy birthday to Khaleesi, who is always sending me beautiful artwork and joining in every show that Nip and I do. So today Nip and I went for a walk around our local park, around our backyard, and this is why Nip is sniffing. We found all these, didn't we? We had such a lovely time. Sam is my cameraman today. Give a little wave, Sam. Rube's doing his uni work. This is my middle son, Sam. So just have a look at this time of year, all the beautiful colours of autumn. Look at these. We've got yellow, got the reds, the sort of orangey colours. Oh, do they smell good, Nip? Do they smell good? Oh, you love nature, don't you? So we're going to do nature art today. Now, first of all, we're going to do just a fun warm-up activity. You know, I always love it if we can warm up our art brains. So I'm just going to do a quick drawing activity. I'm going to grab a few dry leaves. Oh, thanks for that little nip. Nip. That rhymes. All right. Now, so let's do a little walk. Now, I'm going to use a permanent marker. A little bit of a tone. All right. So I'm going to use some PVA is best if you've got it, or a stronger glue, this sort of thing. Stick these along here. The good thing is if leaves and things don't stick, maybe you need to flatten them a little bit first. Try and stick whatever side is lifting up to the top. That. These sleeves aren't the best for glue work, Nip. You're eating the leaves, that's our artwork. Nip, you're eating the artwork. You're eating what we're going to use. Oh, here's a nice little skinny one. This is from the front of our house, this one, isn't it, Nip? Alright. Okay, so then we just have some fun. Let's turn these into little characters. Woohoo! Having a little run along. Oh, this one's bending down to pick something up. Oh, let's give this one a little bit of spiky there, Nick. Oh. Nick's going for it. Oh, and look at this little skinny fella. Hello, little skinny fella. I think he's going to show his muscles. Nip, you're making a very big mess there today. A little speech bubble. Hi there. And this one's having trouble sticking. I'm going to give this one nice big eyes. Ooh, and a really big smile. These are all friends going for a run. There we go. A little bit of fun to start with. Look at that. All right. A little leaf people. I'm going to put over there to dry. Now, we have got all sorts of different things here. Now, the thing is with stuff from nature, often they're a little bit heavy. So I tend to use cardboard, just some recycled cardboard. If you have it, instead of paper, it's better. Now, before you start, have a little think of some of the different things that you could do, depending if you've got sticks, you could use those. So what I do is I have a play around before I even start. Alright, maybe I could do a house. I like having a play around with what I have before I stick it down. It's a bit short. Lucky I've got lots. Lucky we did a good job collecting lots of different things. You can make more than one. What would make Nip a good chimney? Oh, I've got a bit of bark. Oh, that's a nice big piece of bark, Nip. We carried all the way home. Oh, excuse me. Napoleon. Oh, you like the sound of that? You want to hold that? Oh, gosh, this is your favourite thing we've done yet. Maybe that could be a front door. Oh, scissors cut through that. This could be a front door. Look at that, nice front door. Windows, Napoleon. Windows. Oh, let's do these. That's nice leaf windows. 1, 2. What do you think, Nip? I'm going to draw a door handle on this one. We're number 32, so I'm going to put 32 on there. And then I might lay, oh, my clothing choice was not good today. Oh, we have a nice zooms in today. I'm going to fill my roof with some of these nice leaves. Do you like that, Nip? Oh yeah, I like that. Bit of ground. 1. These nice long spotty leaves. We found out the back, didn't we? On the back of our house. Bit of a pathway. Now I still didn't get to do. Oh, they're beautiful colours. Alright, I'm going to use that as the chimney. What about a tree, Nip? Down. Oh, these are pretty. Gosh, this is fun. One little tree there. Oh, these would be good. Another little, create a little garden down the side of the house. Oh, like that. I wonder if we could do, what could we do here, Nip? Could we make a little car? What sort of leaf would make a good car, do you think? What have you got? Are you sitting on anything? You've been chewing all those. Can we make one of these into a car? Oh, that car's a bit small. We need a bit bigger car. I'm going to make him into a car. We can even cut it if we want. Why not? We can do anything. We can do anything. Some wheels. Oh yeah, good wheels, Nip. 1 wheel. 2 wheels. We should have glued it before. And doors. That looks more like a caravan, doesn't it? A bit more like a caravan. All right, so once you, if you're, oh look, there's a tiny little red spider that's come to the party. All right, once you are happy, you can then start sticking things down. Oh, I often just want to keep going is my problem. Look at that. Now that is a beautiful garden for our house. All right, you could even draw around these if we want. And then they're more like the curtains, I think. Nice curtains. All right, we could draw some clouds and things if we want. All right, then we just have to stick some of this down. Fun part, Nick. I'm just using an old container from something. All right. Napoleon's having so much fun. Have a little look what Napoleon's doing. Too bad if I wanted to use that, Napoleon. You're creating your own artwork. All right, so lots of glue. Once you do this, you've got to try and keep it flat. Now, I don't necessarily want you to do a house. This was just an idea. You could do a robot, you could do a person, you could do a dinosaur, a monster. See, when you have these sort of things, you could even just dip those babies straight in. Woo! This glue dries clear, so don't stress. Ready? Woo! Woo! Oh, I'm having too much fun. All right. Stick my roof down. I think I'm going to need a lot of glue for that one. Probably a good idea to put newspaper on the table if you're going to do this sort of thing. I'll wipe it straight away if I get any on. My two-coloured chimney. Do you like this, Nip? This is fun today, isn't it? Bit of nature art. Bit of nature art. Oh, we could have done a post box. We still can, maybe. Put these is our little garden. We could have done a fence. Post box could really go crazy. Now, I would love you to send photos in of yours. Makes Nips and my day when we see what people have done. All right. We could even, why don't we put a little family in Nip? Now I think I had little round bits somewhere. Where did I have? Little round things from the garden. Okay. All right, I'm going to use these as arms and legs for our little person standing here. Oh, I didn't stick the door down yet. All right, one leg, two. It's easier if I bring the glue over here, isn't it? Little body. This is a little family living here. I'll give him yellow arms. Got like a yellow jumper on. You can even draw the head if you don't have anything round. Or I could cut one in half. No rules. Yeah. I'm going to draw a head. He's happy to live here, so let's give him a smile. What a wonderful house I live in, he says. Two buttons. Oh yeah, he loves living here. All right. So, that's one thing that you could do. Let's have a little play around. I've got two. Let's turn that around. It's a bit wet still. That's my nature art house. Just a suggestion. All right, what do we do? Will we try a robot maybe? Do you like the idea of a robot? Can I use those two leaves as legs? No, you can have that bit. Gee, thanks, you're so generous. That's a little bit of bark. There's the body. Do you know what, the good thing is, if you don't have enough stuff, you start, go out and find some more. Now again, don't stick things down until you get them where you want them. Can I have this? You like these ones? Do they smell good, do they? Oh no, I'm going to use these, Nip, don't worry. I like these. We found these near the park, didn't we? A lot of people out enjoying the nice weather today. Alright. What can I use? We've got the buttons down the middle. Break the little tops off. I'm going to do a head then, Nip. What can we use? Oh, let's cut this leaf in half. Have you got another little leaf in there that you've been chewing up that I could use? Oh, you've made more mess than me today. That's a start. Oh, all right. this as the mouth. Oh, he's not very happy. Doesn't like use these beautiful colours we've got. Wowee. There's some cheeks, I think. I'm going to break a bit off. Pink cheeks. 1, 2. Oh, what hair could we do, Napoleon? Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, nice fringe. He's looking good. Oh, he's holding on to that. You can have that. Oh, we could always do a dog. Let's have a lead. A little pet. Oh, sorry about that. Chaos today. Organised chaos. Alright. There's your lead. Oh, we forgot eyes, Nip. Got some little... Will they stay? Is the next question. 2. Ah, good job. Little bark nose. Alright, now we need a dog. It's got to have a nice little pet like you, Nip. Oh, maybe this could be his dog. We've got 2 small ears. Oh, what about some red ears? This is from my bush out the back. Mightn't be a dog, it might just be a robot pet. So let's do some ears. 1, 2. Some legs. Gosh, Nip, you're really going for it today. 1, 2. And an eye for this lovely pet. Bit of glue. I don't think this eye is going to stay otherwise. Sit. Good little boy. Have you had fun with all that? Cute. Ah, my eyeballs rolled away. Need glue. 1, 2. Alright, I'm just going to... Little leaf eye. Another little leaf I can use in it. Poor choice of outfit today, Nip. Alright. Oh, only got 2 legs on his little pet. Oh, long legs for running this pet's got. Alright, Sammy, could you come around? Oh, I'll turn it around. We'll show everyone. I won't glue it down because that takes time. I'd rather you spend your time creating. Oh, oh, there are the 2 eyeballs I lost. There we go. Lovely hairdo. Alright, so there's my robot with its little pet. Hey, little pet Sebastian. Did you enjoy that? I think you loved that today. So, I would love to see photographs of your nature art. Have fun collecting too. We can keep that because we'll be doing other collage things later on, won't we? So maybe keep a box of all the nature art that you collect. Nature, not art, nature things, or your, oh sorry Nip, all your leaves and your sticks, and we'll be able to use them another time. Nip, are you going to say goodbye? And I hope you enjoyed this, and send me some of your artwork. I would love to see it. Bye.